Another year, yet another special project from Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The invention and projects that Elon has proposed to his world is truly surreal and will soon take a real turn. Well, before Elon, did anyone really propose any idea of Mars civilization? Barely, right? Elon Musk, being the less talker, has already started working on Mars civilization, and the day isn't far when he would be named as the Superhuman. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video from Elon Musk Newest. In this video today, we take a look at Tesla's plans for Tesla Solar House 2.0. But before we start, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. That said, now let's take a look. Speaking of Elon Musk's motive so far, precisely revolves around producing inventions that would continue human civilization, isn't it? Last year, Elon shocked us by investing his workforce with Google to create a major impact on the crypto market. Elon's praise is unstoppable. Elon has built a great plan for 2022. Yes, the Tesla CEO has planned to push his workforce to his new project that aims to build Solar House 2.0. Alright, speaking of Musk's latest and trendiest projects, the SpaceX owner plans to build an e-house. To no surprise, the e-house plan was actually expected of Elon, because we know to what extent Elon's mind grows, so e-house was an apparent thing. But what's surprising to know is that it would come under Tesla's name, hence it's a Tesla e-house. Tesla is not just a car company, it's an energy innovation company that aims to achieve zero emissions, which is basically a key step in this mission to generate electricity. And with the idea of building an e-house, it is crisp and clear that Tesla does not want to limit themselves. As a result, working on its path, Tesla eHome is entirely dedicated to sustainable green energy. Guys, mark my words, Tesla eHouse will be getting a lot of attention and appreciation. Saving humans and nature from fossil fuels, Tesla Solar House will be a bigger step to achieve the best for humankind. Elon Musk plans to build every home into a distributed power plant that generates storage and even feeds back into the grid by using the company's products. Discussing the inside details about this project, Tesla has signed a deal with a new home builder with the purpose to equip brand new neighborhoods under construction with Tesla solar panels. In addition, power walls and electric vehicle chargers are also a part of the Tesla Solar House building plan. As a result, real estate developer and new home builder Allset eHome announced an agreement with Tesla to supply solar panels, power walls, and electric vehicle chargers for 20 new homes under construction in Porter, Texas. Allset eHome Incorporated, a US-based real estate developer and subsidiary of Allset eHome International Incorporated, is pleased to announce a strategic agreement with Tesla Incorporated for the initial supply of Tesla PV solar panels, power walls, and EV charging appliances. These products will be installed in family homes. These Tesla products will be installed in 20 brand new single-family homes in the North Park neighborhood of Porter, Texas. In addition to the 20 homes, Allset has 10 more contract homes in the same community, scheduled to close by the end of the month. Going forward, there are plans to purchase 70 more units in the Houston area to deliver 100 e-homes in 2021. To be precise, the concept of Allset eHome revolves around its built-in sustainable home, where solar energy and energy storage power energy-efficient smart home features. Meanwhile, Charlie McKenzie, US CEO of Allset eHome Incorporated, remarked on the announcement agreement with Tesla explaining the plan and projection of Tesla Solar House's project. McKenzie stressed to the point that the company is aimed to deliver what they believe will be the model housing ecosystem of the future, as more and more people want to make sustainable choices when choosing a home. The company and all officials involved with the project are passionate about providing the clients with the easiest transition possible. He concluded saying, "This will also help accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy." Well, what we've understood by far now is Tesla and Allset eHome are working on a great project, but how will the solar house become a solar house? Alright, it's a simple deal. To make a house a solar house, the roof of the house won't be a usual one. Solar roofs will be installed at the top of the house along with a power wall. At a live event in Los Angeles, Tesla CEO Elon Musk took the stage to introduce the company's new 14 kilowatt Powerwall 2 energy storage solution and a solar glass roof. Specifically from textured glass tiles to slate glass tiles, to Tuscan glass tiles, to smooth glass tiles. Tesla is all set to market a stylish solar roof. No more bulky panel installations are envisaged for new solar roofs, or no roof at all. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said his company's solar roofs should last 2 to 3 times as long as conventional roofs, Speaking of it, Musk said, "We expect this to have 2 or 3 times the longevity of asphalt. It's really never going to wear out. It's got a quasi-infinite lifetime. It's made of quartz." On the other hand, explaining the design and usage of solar roofs, Musk explained the solar roof consists of uniquely designed glass tiles that complement the aesthetics of any home, embedded with the highest efficiency photovoltaic cells. In addition, it can be indefinitely customized for a variety of different home styles, each uniquely designed to keep the photovoltaic cells invisible. Moreover, the company also emphasized providing customization and a variety to choose from. As Musk said, customers can choose which parts of the roof will contain hidden solar technology while keeping the entire roof looking the same. These new roofs will seamlessly and beautifully provide renewable energy to the home, battery storage systems, and back to the grid, saving owners money. Not only did Tesla and SolarCity showcase the new roofing products via video reels and small demo installations, but they also remodeled several actual prop rooms that are often used for TV and movies to install the new roof at Universal Studios Los Angeles. However, one of the drawbacks of solar roofs is they will be costly, but it's a short-term issue. As Elon Musk said, it will be more affordable than standard roofs and electricity costs over time. The goal is to have solar roofs that look better than normal roofs, generate electricity, last longer, have better insulation, and actually have an installed cost that is less than a regular roof, plus the cost of electricity. Then why would you build anything else? Questioned Musk to the audience. To be precise, Elon Musk's Tesla suggests pairing its solar roof with a new 14 kilowatt Powerwall unit, where 13.5 kilowatt is technically available, which also has a rated output of 7 kilowatts. As a result, the new energy storage solution retails for $5,500. Hence, this is why Musk called it expensive. However, the factor that will make customers get attracted to solar roof is that the system now also comes with a Tesla inverter included in the package. Well, that sounds a good deal, isn't it? Speaking of the Powerwall, it collects up to 13.5 kilowatts of electricity generated by solar panels throughout the day and then uses that electricity to power the home whenever it is not generating electricity, such as at night or during a power outage. It can also monitor power usage. The more devices you plan to run with your Powerwall, the more you need. For example, a single Powerwall cannot run any large device, but 3 Powerwall units can run multiple large devices simultaneously. You can connect up to 10 Powerwall devices to the same system. Currently, a Powerwall battery unit costs about $6,500. The installation and setup fee added another $4,000 for a final total price of $10,500. Each additional Powerwall unit costs $6,500 with no known additional installation costs. Since a Powerwall system is required to have a solar roof, it is important to ensure that all devices have access to the software and that you know exactly what purpose and device you are going to use the battery for. As a result, when combined with a Tesla Powerwall, a solar roof can power an entire home using 100% renewable energy. This was all about it. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.